Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Withdrawing money from Cryptomania is super simple, but there are a few things you need to know before you get started. Let's dive in. First of all, open the Cryptomania website or app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, be sure to sign up and complete any necessary identity verification before proceeding. Once you are logged in, you will land on your account dashboard. Head over to wallet section. This is where you will find all balances and your withdrawal options. Look for the withdraw section, usually located next to your crypto balance. Cryptomania supports multiple cryptocurrencies and fiat options. You will need to choose whether you want to withdraw in crypto or convert it to your local currency such as USD Euro. Select the cryptocurrency you would want to withdraw. If you are withdrawing to fiat, you will first need to convert your crypto into fiat using their exchange feature. Next, you will need to provide the destination address for your withdrawal. If you are withdrawing crypto, this will be the wallet address where you want your coins sent. Double check Make sure you double check the address before proceeding. Crypto transactions are irreverence. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and make sure to account for any withdrawal fees. Cryptomania usually shows you the total amount after fees are deducted. Once you have entered all the details, you will be asked to verify the transaction. This could be through two-factor authentication or an email confirmation. If you are using two-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your phone. After that, hit the withdraw button and your request will be sent to Cryptomania for processing. Withdrawal times can vary based on the crypto network and the method you are using. Typically, crypto withdrawals may take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once the withdrawal is processed, you should receive a confirmation email. You can also check your account balance to make sure the withdrawal is complete. If you are withdrawing to a bank account, the funds should appear in your bank after a couple of days. Here's here are a few quick tips. Always double check your wallet address, especially for crypto withdrawals. Be aware of withdrawal limits. Some accounts have daily or monthly withdrawal caps. If you are withdrawing large sums, consider breaking them into smaller withdrawals for added security. And that's it. Withdrawing from Cryptomania is a straightforward process once you know where to go. Make sure to stay safe and verify all your details before confirming a withdrawal. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to manage your crypto and make money online. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.